Hello, welcome everyone. It's Raul ASO talking about assignment 4. For this assignment, I created a timer manager and a timer event. The tricky part about the timer manager was the sort functionality, which I needed help from the manager base. I added this P add in front, which allows any node to be added in front of any node, and P add last, which allows any node to be added in the back of any node. And this allowed me to sort the list while a node was getting added, depending on if the compare was true or false. If the sort was true or false. Now, I tested this using the print commands, which is the non-animation commands. I had created 3 print commands. Print, which just outputs to the console. Print 2, again, which outputs to the console, and print 3, which outputs to the console. I'm going to show you that right now to let you know that it works. Okay, as you can see in the back, it's going to vary depending on the timer event. Okay. Now my next step that I did was I created an animation sprite. I created 3 animation sprites: octopus animation, crab animation, and squid animation. And I kind of renamed my images so that the images would conform to each sprite. There's two images to each animation sprite, and I attach those images, and then I attach and I add those I add those animations to the timer event. And as you can see, the images are animating back and forth. Now the sprites don't look that pretty. I think I may need to fix them, but that's more look and feel that I can fix later. And last but not least is the game object. I created 3 game objects which derive off of alien type, and alien type derives off of game object. They're all managed by the game object manager. Each game object is in a game object node, and game object nodes are managed by game object manager. And the game object manager will call update, which will call the game object's update, which will ultimately call the sprite underneath its update. And that's pretty much it. I also created iterators, which are, I created a interface for a custom iterator. I followed what was shown in Piazza, and then I implemented, using this class, I created concrete C-link iterator and M-link iterator, which I use anytime these kind of nodes are used. So for example, for game object during the update, I created an iterator, and it looks much cleaner. Same thing for the sprite batch manager. I created an iterator during the draw. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.